Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to draw a giraffe together. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw the giraffe's head.
Oh.
Next, we'll add its ears and nose.
Okay.
Now, draw the body and the long legs.
Okay.
Whoa!
Great job! Let's add two big eyes. Look, the giraffe is watching you.
Wow!
Now, draw the fun spots all over its body.
Nice!
Pew, 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 pew. Ciao, ciao.
Our giraffe is looking amazing.
Oh, nice!
Now, let's add some grass on the ground to make our giraffe feel at home.
Nice!
Oh yeah. Wow.
Oh, that's so cute.
Cool!
Oh yeah.
Let's draw two trees beside the giraffe.
Nice!
Wow! And add some fluffy clouds in the sky.
Nice!
Oh yeah.
Now, it's time to color. Let's start by making the giraffe bright yellow.
Awesome!
Oh yeah.
Pew, 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 pew. Ciao, ciao.
Then color the spots brown. I used black for hooks.
Wow.
Awesome!
Make the ground green so the giraffe has lots of grass.
Nice!
Oh yeah.
Color the tree trunk brown and the leaves I used green. let's color the sky blue.
Okay. Yes.
Nice. Whoa!
We're all done. Look at our beautiful giraffe. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these giraffe with me. Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Tiny Hands Art. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye!